Hello guys, it's me Roshan Kumar Shah and this is your 15th basic programming language tutorial. So I have already written some stops over here. In this tutorial I will teach you guys how to find the HCF. So don't worry, I will make you understand each and every line of this program because I want to be declared as your best favorite teacher. So CLS, okay, cool. Input, enter your first number and your second number. I allowed the user to input two of his or her numbers uh, of which they want to find the highest common factor. So in order to do so, I have made a label called Roshan label, and trust me, it will be useful in just a nearby future. So here is a statement, let R is equal to A mod B. Okay, now before what proceeding, first of all I would like to make you clear that what this mod does. Modulus is just like remainder. As for example, if you 5 mod 2, if you do 5 mod 2, that is if you divide 5 by 2, then you know guys that the remainder is 1. So the modulus just find out the remainder as A mod B. It means A is divided by B, and whatever the remainder comes, it will be stored in R. Okay, this is the work done by the modulus. It will divide A, that is the first variable, with B, that is with the second variable, and whatever the remainder comes, it will store that remainder in R. So let me just clear this 5 mod 2. Okay, and if R is equal to 0, suppose the remainder of A mod B is 0, then HCF is equal to B. Do you want to see how? As for example, just suppose that the A is 4 and B is what, 2. Okay, now R is equal to 4 mod 2. Now 4 mod 2, it means when 4 is divided by 2, what is the remainder? The remainder is 0, because 4 is exactly divisible by 2. Now since the remainder is 0, the HCF is going to be B, as this is the highest common factor that it can possess. Now since 4 mod 2 is equal to 0, so 0 is now assigned to R. Now since R is equal to 0, then HCF is B. Now let us take another example, such as this is 3 and this is 8. Okay, yeah, good. Or can I take something more, some common? Yeah, this is good, I think. Okay, great. So now R is equal to 8 mod B. Now 8 mod 3, when you divide 8 by 3, the remainder is gonna be 2. So if R is equal to 0, no, it is not. So what is it? Then it will run the default condition. Since R is not equal to 0, here R is equal to 2, it will run these statements. Now A is equal to B. Previously the value of B is 3, so here it is 3, and the new value of A becomes 3. And similarly B becomes R, and what is R? R was 2, yeah, 2. So the new value of A is 3 and the new value of B is R, and what is R? R is 2. Now it again go to Roshan and A mod B, that is 3 mod 2. Then 3 mod 2 is equal to 1, so these statements are not run, and finally this will run. Now A is equal to B, and B was 2, and B is equal to R was 1. Okay, so go to Roshan, and here is Roshan and 2 mod 1. Now 2 mod 1 is equal to 0, as a is now 2 and b is 1. So since 2 mod 1 is equal to 0, this statement will run and the NCF will be b, and right now we have 1 as the value of b. So it's a lengthy process, but that's how QBasic find out the NCF of two numbers. Yeah, that's the only way how QBasic finds the NCF. Now in order to find out the LCM, first of all I would like to inform you something. I hope you guys know, but I'm not sure if you know it or not. Always remember that the product of the two numbers whose HCF and LCM you are finding out, that is, and their product is A star. What I am trying to say is that A star B equals to HCF into LCM. I don't know that whether you guys know it or not, but trust me, it is true. Remember this, A into B is equal to HCF into LCM. That is, the product of the two numbers is also equal to product of their highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. So now in order to find out this was the procedure to find the HCF. Now in order to find out the LCM, here is what we gonna do. P equals to A star B, okay, and here we write LCM is equal to what is it, P and divided by HCF, and we wrote this statement by considering the fact that A star B is equal to HCF into LCM, and it is true. If you don't trust me, you can also do with some examples, and the result is surely gonna to be the true one. So this is how the procedure to find out the LCM and HCF of any two inputted numbers. Now let us do it for an example. So it is saying me to enter your first number. Suppose my first number is 8. Great. Enter your second number. Suppose my second number is 2. Good. Then it says that the HCF is 2. Oh, sorry, crap. I didn't print the LCM. I have calculated the LCM, but I forgot to print it out. So print print LCM is and LCM. Great. Now let me run this again. And here we go. Enter your first number. Suppose it is 8. Good. Enter your second number 2. Now it says that the LCM is 8 and the HCF is 2. And yeah, it's true. Good. It means our program is working. We have done a great job. Congratulations to us. See, it's working fine. Suppose my first number is what? 8 and my second number is 3. Then it says that the lowest common multiple is 24 and the LCF is 1. OMG, we have done a great task. So this was it. See you guys later in the next tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.